Hey, y'all.
Oh.
Apareció.
Yeah, we're still friends. All right, you guys, welcome back to mi canal. My name is MerXs. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe.
Handle that.
So that
hit the buttons. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit all the buttons. Make sure you're notified every time.
And give a thumbs up if you hope Daddy feels better, porque ya no tiene huevos.
Hi, deshuevado.
Mira.
Hi.
Anyway, you guys, today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make arroz con leche. Or maybe I'm going to be teaching all of us because this is my first time making it. Shelly's never freaking had it. Or never made it, I'm sorry.
Never made it.
And yeah, so real quick, super easy ingredients. You're going to need evaporated milk. You're going to need la lechera. You're going to need raisins. These are optional if you don't want to cook with raisins. You don't have to. 2 sticks of canela. And you're going to need leche. So first we're going to heat up a pot about this size. We're going to add a little bit of water. Oh, and el arroz. Duh. So you're going to add a little bit of agüita. Because you don't want to add the leche in there because it's going to start like boiling. And I don't know what it's called, pero se puede poner mala and you don't want to do all that. So let me get the rice. Okay, you guys. So I added a little bit of water as you can see. And I dropped 2 palitos de canela. We're going to leave it in here. You're going to add a little bit more water. And we're going to let this boil for about like 10 minutes. Just to allow this to totally soak up all of the flavor of the canela into the arroz. And I put 3 scoops like these, you guys. So just everything's to your liking. But I just put 3 scoops of this. Whatever your little vasito is or your cup or however much you want it. Depending on how big of a family you have or the occasion. But I'm just gonna leave 3 vasitos for fill. So we're just gonna stir this around before we add any of the other ingredients. I'll be back. Okay, perritos. I'm just kidding. We are back here. As you can see, it came to a boil. Le sigues meneando. Here is the cinnamon sticks, and all I have in here is the cinnamon sticks, el arroz, and the water. That's it. You guys can add sugar to this if you want, in addition to the evaporated milk and la lechera, but this is super fucking sweet, so ahí como quieran. I'm sorry for the noise. My son is retarded.
A little bit. Don't talk about my godson like that.
Oh, dispensa.
Disrespect.
And we just over here suffering the smell of this amazingness. I hope you appreciate this fill. Porque me las van a pagar. As you guys can see, it's literally soaking up the water is being soaked up by the rice really, really quick. As you can see, it's like way less than when I first showed you guys. I put a little bit of water so that it gets a chance to like, the flavor of the canela can really go up into the rice. So at this time, we're gonna get the evaporated milk. Y le tiene que seguir meneando. Like, you guys have to keep stirring this. And to this, we're going to add an equal part of water. Okay, so I added the evaporated milk. And we have to keep stirring it from this point because the milk can literally stick to the bottom of the pan with the arroz. So we got to keep meneándole. Give it a little chance to incorporate all that cinnamon flavor. I'm sorry, you guys, if I'm not keeping the camera focused on the pot. I'm not that good at multitasking. And I didn't want to post it up like I usually do on the little wall here because I just wanted to give you guys something real. Damn, I wish you guys could fucking smell this and okay, so now we're going to add look how amazing this looks, and I can't have any of it, la lechera. That's why. This is exactly why this does not need no motherfucking sugar. But if y'all really want diabetes today, go for it. Alright, you guys. So everybody likes their arroz con leche different. Some people like it really, really thick. Some people like it a little bit more runny. It's totally up to you. This is still gonna reduce a lot because the rice is not all the way cooked yet.
It smells so good, guys.
You can smell it. It's fucking. You don't need commentator. But you guys, Give this video a thumbs up if you want us to do a get ready with me, because I hella miss Shelly and now I don't even want to put my face on anymore with that. The last ingredient that I'm gonna put in here is the leche. See how it's starting to boil? Stupida, I'm spilling it. Oh my god, soy bestia. Mira. Ay, por hacer cool en el YouTube.
En el YouTube.
Mira lo que dice. Ya está sucio esto. Ay, guys.
Quémalo todo.
Okay,
No sirves para nada. Inútil.
Esta. Síguele. Con los insultos. Look how silky and delicious she was.
Gracias.
¡Írala! ¡Bien creída! Cómete un Quest bar. Anyway, guys, I miss you guys. I'm sorry, I'm 2 videos behind, but the laptop is giving me technical difficulties. Y este acaba de quitarle los huevos. So he's been giving me a freaking headache, you guys. But he's excited to see Shelly. Look at Shelly's nails. Let's do a nail cam. Pew, pew.
Ella.
Bish, bish, sas.
Hoy.
Earthquake! Earthquake! No te.
I was like, who was fucking with us?
Ay, güey.
Ay, nanita.
Oh no, Dad.
Eat your ass from that fire. Blah.
No jumping!
You guys, this is me.
Cigüeña.
See, baba. Me. Want to achieve this amazing lighting? Cómprate esta pinche lámpara. You guys, we're still on the keto.
El keto.
I'm frozen in the weight for the last 2 weeks. I've been the same. I'm scared.
Something better than
Just want a Big Mac.
That looks so good, you guys. This is the finished product. Told you it's super simple, very minimal ingredients. I hope you guys like this this cooking recipe that I'm sharing with you guys. I love you guys and stay tuned.